Hey everybody.
Hey everybody. Hey everybody.
Hey everybody. Welcome back to our channel.
If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button right down below and the bell button right next to it, because today's video is gonna be great.
Make sure you guys follow us on all our social medias at Dope Christian TV. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat at Dope Christian TV. Today we're going to be talking about 10 habits to try in your new year. Why? Because it's a new year and it's new you, and we want to do better this year than we did last year. With all that being said,
Let's get into the video.
Fun fact, it takes 21 days to actually form a habit. So here are a few habits that maybe you can try in your 2019. So number one habit that you can try this year is to stop overthinking about every single little thing. I personally do this from the smallest things to my whole existence, but that is a whole nother story. That you'll have better health, better life. In the end, you don't have time to assume anything because you see everything as they are. If you do overthink, you're gonna have a hard time all year to just be happy because you're too busy trying to think about things that haven't even happened yet. And did you know that if you think too hard about things and if you just keep saying it through your mouth, that means that you attract it to you? So stop overthinking. Number two would be to eat healthier. First of all, your insides will be so much more healthier. You'll look better on the outside, your skin's clear, and you just feel good about yourself. If you don't eat healthy, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, you won't feel good inside or you won't look good on the outside either. Also, remember that your body is a temple.
Number three is to join an enjoyable or interesting department in your church. You have the main thing that you need, which is focus. There is no need for distractions because you're so focused in that one thing that you actually enjoy. So nobody can distract you. The consequences, you'll be in things that you don't even need to be in your year 2019. Number four is to cut off any negativity that you may have in your life. When you have negative people in your life, you will continue to listen to them, and then you'll be stagnant and you'll wonder why you haven't moved forward since the past few years. But you're doing that now. You're cutting all people off. Consequences of allowing negative people in your life is that they'll speak into your life, and then you continue to believe what they're speaking into your life, and then you will never move forward. Number five would be to start your day off by reading a scripture or more and meditate on that all day. You can apply it during your day. If you didn't start your day off with a scripture, me personally, I just be all over the place during the day. I don't be focused. I might get into trouble. Not trouble, but trouble. Number six would be to start your day off with a nice cold glass of water in the morning. It boosts my metabolism and it just helps me wake up. Sometimes it's better than coffee, depending on the day. If you don't drink cold water in the morning, then you might be feeling sluggish, tired, really want to take naps like every 10 minutes. But if you implement that into your routine, you might see a difference in your energy. Number seven is when you have a lot of things on your mind that you have to do, like to-do lists, you should immediately write it down in a planner or journal, or immediately do it. You stay on task, you stay productive, and you don't forget what you have to do, because I've noticed when I don't do that, I end up forgetting and things don't get done. You will also seep into that very dark hole of procrastination, which I know that hole all too well. Just do it. I mean, what's the point of wasting time on doing it? Just do it. Tomorrow's not promised.
Number 8 is to start and end your day with prayer. Basically letting him lead you throughout your day. So it's waking up and acknowledge him first, along with reading the scripture. And then ending your day with prayer kind of puts a seal on your day. For one, you're waking up and letting God know that, hey God, I'm thinking about you when I just woke up because you're important to me. Not doing this can cause your day to be a jumble mumble of mess.
And maybe if you would have started with prayer, you wouldn't, have went off on your coworker later that day, because you put yourself in a state of peace. And when you pray to God in the morning, he may reveal to you some things about your day that you would not have known about if you did not start it with prayer. Number 9 is to focus on your budget / finances in general. When you have control over your finances, that means your finances are not controlling you. You tell your money where it should go. I encourage you to start a budget, follow a budget, and create savings. This reduces stress and anxiety about finances because you know what's coming in and going out. When you don't follow a budget, you're kind of just spending frivolously whatever is coming in your hand. You don't know what's going on, what's coming in, and that can cause debt, stress, and that can cause you to live paycheck to paycheck. And number 10 is sleep. When you get a full night's rest, you are more energized in the morning. You can tackle the day, get more stuff done. You have a positive attitude and a better outlook on life than when you get less sleep. When you have not enough sleep, your mind is not going to function optimally. You're going to be groggy, not be able to focus and concentrate as well, and not going to have a positive attitude because your body needs to reset itself. And it's also just good overall for your health. It's good for weight loss and overall body functioning to get improved sleep. We challenge you to incorporate something new into your life for the next 21 days.
So take a look at the habits that are on the screen above and comment down below which habit you want to work on in your 2019 with a green check mark right next to it. Don't forget this upcoming Friday we will be entering our last level up, which is level 7. Make sure you go binge watch all of our videos, every episode of every level that we've ever done, because you will be put to the test. So make sure you go binge watch. Be ready for next week on Friday.
Follow our Instagram at Dope Christian TV. We are at 300 followers, so let's get that bumped all the way up. Come through, okay? Come on, we're waiting for you. Stay blessed and stay lit. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.